Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Pathshala. Today we are going to discuss probability. The case is on dice. You all have played Ludo, so in that we have a cubical dice. So today we'll be discussing when the two dice they are rolled together. So first of all, we should know how many total outcomes are there when two dice they are rolled together. So whenever I'll throw one die, it might possible that one will come up, and when I'll throw the second dice, it might possible that on that also one will come up. When I'll throw a dice second time, it might possible one will come up, and on the second die, it might possible two will come up. So let us see how many total outcomes will exist when two dice they are rolled together. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes of a first die and these are the outcomes of a second die. So let's say 1 and 1 will come up, 1 and 2 will come up, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. Now in the second row, it might possible that on the first die 2 will come up and on the second die 1 will come up. Similarly, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6. Similarly, it might possible that on the first die 3 will come up and on the second one 1. Then 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3 and 6. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Similarly 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Similar way 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. In a similar way 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So look here how many outcomes are there, total outcomes. In the first row there are 6 outcomes. How many rows are there? 6 rows. So total outcomes will be your 36. So you have to remember when the two dice they are rolled together, the total outcomes are 36. Now let us discuss few questions based on it. So first of all, we'll find out the probability of a doublet. So first of all, you must know the meaning of doublet. Doublet means the same number on both the die. So same number on both the die is 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So the same number on both the die is known as a doublet. So how many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So that is your 6 by 36. So you have to cancel it out, 1 by 6. So the probability of getting a doublet when the two dice are rolled together, that is 1 by 6. Now the question can be framed as probability of the doublet of even numbers. आपको निकालना है कि जो डबलेट है वो इवन नंबर्स का ही होना चाहिए. इवन नंबर्स आर इन दिस केस 2, 4 and 6. So this will be removed, this will be removed and this will be removed. So 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the probability is 3 upon 36. So you will get as 1 by 12. In a similar way, it can be asked as probability of the doublet of odd numbers. This can be asked also odd numbers. So odd numbers के केस में भी सेम होगा. आपका ये रिमूव हो जाएगा 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5. 3 cases 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 3 by 36. That is 1 by 12. Now let us say you need to find the probability of getting a sum of 5. आपको सम चाहिए, दोनों डाइस पे जो नंबर आएगा उनका सम आपको 5 चाहिए. So let us find out the outcomes. Sum 5. So in first row 1 plus 4 is 5. In the second row 2 plus 3 is 5. In the third row 3 plus 2 is 5. In the fourth row 4 plus 1 is 5. If you will proceed further, you will get a sum greater than 5 because 5 1 से start हो रहा है. 5 plus 1 6 होता है, 4 plus 2 6 होता है. तो इससे आगे जितने भी आउटकम्स होंगे उनका सम आपका greater than 5 होगा. बट हमें क्या चाहिए? सम 5 चाहिए. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will get 4 by 36. That is 1 by 9. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. लेट्स से प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ सम 7. अब हमें सम चाहिए 7 ऑन बोथ द डाइस. मीन्स आप दोनों डाइस पे जो भी नंबर आया है अगर आप उसका सम करो तो वो 7 आना चाहिए. फर्स्ट रो में देखूं तो 1 plus 6 7 होता है. सेकेंड रो में देखूं तो 2 plus 5 7 होता है. थर्ड रो में if I'll proceed 3 plus 4 is 7. If I'll proceed to fourth row then 4 plus 3 is 7 और उससे आगे 5 plus 2 is 7 then 6 plus 1 is 7. Let us check out once more. In first row 1 plus 6 is 7. Then in the second row 2 plus 5 is 7. Third row 3 plus 4 is 7. Fourth row 4 plus 3 is 7. Fifth row is 5 plus 2 is 7. Sixth row is 6 plus 1 is 7. So the number, there are total how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is no other outcome. So probability will be 6 by 36. That is again 1 by 6. Now next is, let's say probability of getting 5 will come up either time. Either time means एक आपके डाई पे 5 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, दोनों में से किसी भी एक पे 5 आना चाहिए. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट रो, हमारे पास एक ये वाला आउटकम है 1,5, देन 2,5, देन 3,5, देन 4,5. इस वाली रो में एक डाइस पे तो 5 है ही. सो ऑल दीज आउटकम्स विल बी कंसिडर्ड. नेक्स्ट रो में 6,5. तो दैट मीन्स लेट अस लुक हाउ मेनी टोटल possible outcomes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So how many possible outcomes are? 11 डिवाइडेड बाय 36। और अगर आपको यही निकालना हो कि 5 विल नॉट कम, प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है 5 विल नॉट कम ईदर टाइम, एक बार भी 5 नहीं आना चाहिए, तो कैसे निकालेंगे उसको? हमें पता है किसी भी इवेंट के होने की और किसी भी इवेंट के ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी का सम होता है 1। हमने निकाल लिया है कि 5 एक बार आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है 11/36, तो उसके ना आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी 1 माइनस 11/36, दैट मीन्स 25/36। Next is, let's say you need the probability of sum greater than 10। मुझे चाहिए कि जो सम है वो 10 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर हम यहाँ तक बात करें 4,6, तो अगर 4 और 6 को ऐड करूँ तो 10 आता है। नेक्स्ट रो में 5 और 5 को ऐड करूँ तो 10 आता है, बट मुझे ग्रेटर देन 10 चाहिए। ग्रेटर देन 10 चाहिए तो दैट मीन्स ये वाला पार्ट कंसीडर नहीं होगा, ना ये वाला आउटकम कंसीडर होगा। अब यहाँ तक अगर हम देखें तो ये वाला सम 10 है, बट ये वाले लेस देन है, तो दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल आउटकम्स 1, 2 and 3, because 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 6 is 12, fine। So the sum should be 11 or 12, 12 से ऊपर नहीं हो सकता sum, तो that means probability is 3/36, that means 1/12। Let's take few more questions regarding it। Probability of even number on both dice means आपको even number चाहिए दोनों dice पे। I want an even number। Let me rub it and then write it again। 5,6, 6,5, 6,6, now I want कि दोनों डाइस पे इवन नंबर होना चाहिए। अब देखो फर्स्ट रो की अगर मैं बात करूं तो पहले डाई पे 1 है, तो ये रो कंसीडर ही नहीं होगी, सो दिस रो विल बी रिमूव्ड। सेकेंड रो में इवन नंबर चाहिए मुझे दोनों डाइस पे, तो 2 2, 2 4 and 2 6। If I'll talk about third row will also not be considered because there is a number 3 on one die, so 3 is not a even number। If I'll talk about fourth row, 4,2, 4 4 and 4 6, 3 more possible outcomes। If I'll talk about fifth row, there will not be any outcome because 5 is a even number। If I'll talk about sixth row, again we can have even number on both the dice, that is 6,2, 6,4 and 6,6। Now let us look out how many possible outcomes are there। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so there are total 9 outcomes, so 9 upon 36 is 1/4। Next is your, let's say, prime number। I want prime number on both the dices। Prime numbers, so you must know what are prime numbers। The prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself। Now 1 to 6, if I'll talk about the numbers 1 to 6, we have 3 prime numbers, that is 2 which is the smallest even prime number। और कोई भी even number ऐसा नहीं होता है जो prime हो, सिर्फ 2 ही एक अकेला ऐसा prime number है जो even है, fine। So 2 4 and 6, so let us see कि even numbers हमें चाहिए prime number। तो फर्स्ट वाली जो रो है that will not be considered because 1 is not a prime number. If I talk about a second row, तो 2 2 is a prime, 2 3 2 5. Fine. Next row की बात करें तो 3 is again a prime number, so 3 2 3 3 3 5. Fine. नेक्स्ट रो की बात करें 4 है, 4 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, तो ये वाली रो हमारी कंसीडर नहीं होगी क्योंकि दोनों डाइस पे ही मुझे प्राइम नंबर चाहिए. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फिफ्थ रो 5 2 5 3 एंड 5 5, और उससे नेक्स्ट रो की बात करें अगेन वी डू नॉट हैव एनी like any possible outcome on which there is a prime number on both the dices. So how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So 9 upon 36, that is 1 by 4. Now let's take another case, that is probability of the product of numbers is a perfect square. So first of all, we should know what are the perfect squares. That is 1 4, then your 9, then is your 16, then 25 and then 36 and so on. These are your perfect squares. अब हमें देखना है प्रोडक्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. सो सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे प्रोडक्ट ये कब आ रहा है. सबसे पहले देखो 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 is 36. Total we have already got, that is how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 outcomes we are getting. But जो 4 है, सी 4 और भी आ रहे हैं हमारे 1, 4. इन दोनों का अगर प्रोडक्ट करूं तो मेरे पास क्या आता है 4. अगर मैं इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करूं तो भी मेरे पास क्या आ रहा है 4, बिकॉज 4 into 1 is 4. So what I am getting here, 2 more outcomes are there, that when I multiply them I will get a perfect square, that is 4. और कहीं पर भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं आ रहा है जिसका हम perfect square निकाल सकें. So how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So your probability is 8 upon 36. आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 4 and then 18, then 2 and then 9. So your answer is 2 by 9. Next is your suppose you need to find out the probability of sum greater than 12. सम चाहिए हमें 12 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. अब देखो लास्ट तक अगर मैं सम करूं 6 + 6 तो मेरे पास आता है 12. तो इससे बड़ा नंबर तो आ ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज नो अदर नंबर rather than 1 to 6 we will not get any of the numbers. So what is the probability? 0 by 36, that means 0. So this is how we can find out the total outcomes. First, to find out the probabilities. So when the two dice they are rolled together, we'll have the total outcomes as 36, and then on the basis of that, this table, you can find out the probability of whatever the event is asked to you. So thank you. Hello friends, I hope you all like my videos. If you feel any problem, you are free to write in the comment section. I'll answer you as soon as possible through my videos. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.